We're about to go. They're grabbing a last dessert bites. Habang naghihintay ng aming transport to the airport. And this is the last look for the year, I guess, ng Beach Palace Resort. Ito. The beautiful water of Cancun. Ayan. So, may swimming pool dito. And then, beach doon sa kabila. Really beautiful. Ganda. Nag-enjoy kaming maligo. May mga activities. So, ayan. A closer look. May slides on that area. Ayan. Really nice. Nag-enjoy kami. They almost complete. Then, ito na yung nagsi-order ng dessert. I guess look like they all order crepe bites.
Chicken order po.
Ha?
Banana.
Meron chicken?
Yeah, chicken order.
Oo, yun na.